Hello students, I am Raghavendra Kumar Singh, faculty of US Academy and Institute. Today, we will discuss class 6 geography's first chapter, the earth in the solar system. As we know, the earth is the third planet from the sun and the only place that inhabited by living things. It is the fifth largest planet in the solar system. It is the only world with liquid water on the surface. Among all the four planets closest to the sun, the earth is the biggest planet. The solar system consists of our star, the sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and also some dwarf planets such as Pluto, dozens of moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids are there. At night, the whole sky is filled with tiny shining objects. Some are bright, others are dim. They all appear to be twinkling. A full moon occurs once in about a month, called full moon night, or in Hindi Purnima. A fortnight later, you cannot see moon at all, which is called new moon night, or in Hindi Amavasya. What about the celestial bodies? The celestial bodies are the sun, the moon, and all those objects shining in the night sky are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and very hot. They all are made up of gases. Then the stars. Stars are celestial bodies which have their own heat and light, which they emit in large amount, just like the sun, because the sun is also a star. Constellation. In the night sky, various patterns are formed by different groups of stars called constellation. Ursa Major or Big Bear is one such constellation. One of the most easily recognized constellation is the Saptarishi. Sapt, seven, Rishis means saga. It is a group of 7 stars that forms a part of Ursa Major constellation. In ancient time, people used to determine direction during the night with the help of stars. The North Star indicates the north direction. It is also called the pole star. It always remains in the same position in the sky. Now, about the planets. Planets are celestial bodies that do not have their own heat and light. They are lit by the light of the stars. The word planet means from the Greek word planete, which means wanderers. The earth on which we live is a planet. It gets all its heat and light from the sun. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite. It is a companion of our earth and moves around it. Like our earth, there are 7 other planets that get heat and light from the sun. Some of them have their moons too. Now, about the solar system. The sun, the 8 planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids from the solar system. Now, the sun. The sun is the center of solar system. It is a huge and made up of extremely hot gases. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. The sun is the ultimate source of heat and light. For the solar system, the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth. Now, the planets. There are 8 planets in our solar system. In order of their distance from the sun, they are: first Mercury, second Venus, third Earth, fourth Mars, fifth Jupiter, sixth Saturn, seventh Uranus, and seventh Neptune. Eighth Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system moves around the sun in fixed path. These paths are called orbit. Mercury is the nearest to the sun. It takes only about 88 days to complete one round along its orbit. Venus is considered as Earth twins because its size and shape are very much similar to that of the Earth. Till recently, in August 2006, Pluto was also considered a planet. However, in a meeting of the International Astronomical Union, a decision was taken that Pluto, like other celestial objects series 2003 UB313 discovered in recent past, may be called dwarf planet. Now, about the Earth. The Earth is the 3rd planet to the Sun. In size, it is the 5th largest planet. It is slightly flattened at the pole. The Earth's shape is described as a geoid, conditions favorable to support life are probably found only on the Earth. It has water and air, which are very essential for survival of living organisms. The air has life supporting gas like oxygen. From the outer space, the Earth appears blue because its 2/3 surface is covered by water. It is called a blue planet. Now, the Moon. Moon is Earth's satellite. Its diameter is only 1/4 that of Earth. It appears so big because it is nearer to our Earth than other celestial bodies. It is about 3,84,400 kilometers away from us. The moon moves around the sun. The moon moves around the earth in about 27 days. It takes exactly the same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the moon is visible to us. On the earth, the moon does not have conditions favorable for life. It has mountains, plains, and depression on its surface. These cast shadow on the moon's surface. Next, the asteroids. Asteroids are tiny bodies that move around the sun. They are found between the orbit of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are parts of a planet which exploded many years back. Now about the meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. It causes a flash of light. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burned, falls on the earth and creates a halo. A cluster of millions of stars is called the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of this galaxy. In ancient India, it was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akashganga. Now, what did you understand by the galaxy? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and cloud of dust and gases. These are millions of such galaxies that makes the universe.